Choosing a right product is not easy nowadays. So we are here to help you. We put products in our list after researching on them, after checking the quality of products, and also after different experiments. We categorized products and also their rankings. We always list quality products that are suitable for our subscribers. The best thing is we try to give high quality products in affordable price. Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is on Amazon. You will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. Compatible with DW723, DWX723 and DWX724 mitre saw stands. Adjustable height from 4-1/4 inch to 6 inch to match any mitre saw table height. 15-inch wide roller material supports wide workpieces when adjusting and cutting. Package weight 2.495 kilograms. See more product details. The number 3 on the list is choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. Easily and quickly mount your mitre saw or other power tools on this super secure saw stand work bench. Saw safely with precision and without any wobbling or movement. Product size 29 inches D by 31 inches W by 34 inches H. Weight 90 pounds. Work surface up to 7 feet. Saws that fit 26.5 W. Weight limit 400 pounds. The Porter Cube's two 30 inches wings can fold outward and lock into place, providing you with 60 or a full 90 inches workspace. The collapsible wings include movable inserts that align level with your saw. The workstation includes a handle and wheels, allowing it to be easily moved from one area to the next. This rolling stand is perfect to use when space is a consideration or for efficient transportation to different work sites. When not used for cutting, the saw table area reverse flips, allowing the stand to become a full, level table to be used for planning, measuring and working on other projects. When the saw is flipped down, it stays safely attached and out of the way. See more product details. The number 2 on the list is Universal Design. Fits nearly every mitre saw on the market, including all Wen mitre saws. Collapsible rolling stand features two 8-inch never flat wheels for simple transportation and storage. Sturdy 1-1/2 inch diameter steel frame elevates your mitre saw 33 inches off the ground. Extend the support arms anywhere from 32 to 79 inches to support boards up to 10.5 feet long. Includes 3 onboard 15A 120 volts outlets, 2 height adjustable rollers, quick release brackets, 2 table extensions, a powder-coated finish and a 2-year warranty. See more product details. The number 1 on the list is Universal Design. Fits nearly every mitre saw on the market, including all Wen mitre saws. Collapsible rolling stand features two 8-inch never flat wheels for simple transportation and storage. Sturdy 1-1/2 inch diameter steel frame elevates your mitre saw 33 inches off the ground. Extend the support arms anywhere from 32 to 79 inches to support boards up to 10.5 feet long. Includes 3 onboard 15A 120 volts outlets, 2 height adjustable rollers, quick release brackets, 2 table extensions, a powder coated finish and a 2-year warranty. See more product details.